Namaskar. Welcome to Vidya Retreat. I am your host Himani Vashisht. In this video, I am going to discuss about the advantages of taking Panchkarma treatment. Sounds like an interesting topic because everywhere on all the videos I am talking about Panchkarma, do this, do that. But why we should do Panchkarma? What's the benefit of it? Let's discuss about it. The first thing is Panchkarma is not only for sick people, not only for diseased people. Panchkarma is for everyone. Even if you are a healthy individual, still you can do Panchkarma to keep yourself in healthy state, to maintain your health. Also Panchkarma, it is a preventive treatment also. Before the doshas they start spreading in your all the body, you can just curb the doshas, you can just curb these vitiated doshas and can eliminate these through your digestive tract. So Panchkarma is also having preventive effect. So now let's come to diseases. Yes, Panchkarma is a very effective treatment for many diseases. If I try to name the diseases, I cannot complete it just in one video here. So even for the chronically ill patients, because through Panchkarma we have thorough cleansing processes, thorough detoxification processes, and it cleans the tissues deeply. So it's very effective therapy for chronic patients, and just in 7 days, or in 2-3 weeks, even chronically ill patient, they start seeing great difference in them, change in them. Also, if you want to improve your skin quality, your complexion, so Panchkarma treatment is amazing treatment. It opens up the pores of your skin. Also Panchkarma is recommended for energy healers also, as Panchkarma opens up energy channels also. So it increases your energy level, strengthens your body, it increases your immunity level, it increases your aura also. Panchkarma increases BMR rate, basic metabolism rate, so it helps in reducing the weight. If you are going under Panchkarma treatment, so you can feel, or you can just weigh yourself, definitely your weight is going to come down, it's going to reduce. And for the people who are having less weight, who are underweight, it balances their weight. So Panchkarma is basically balancing your weight, balancing your body by balancing all the doshas. Panchkarma is also recommended for those who are addict of drugs, tobacco, liquor, because it detoxifies your body. So the dependence on these drugs and smoke, tobacco, this reduces if we go through the Panchkarma treatment. Panchkarma is not only for your body, it is for your mind and soul also. In Panchkarma, the individual is seen as a whole. Also, the therapies of Panchkarma relaxes and give calm effect to mind. Panchkarma is also very relaxing process. The massages, Shirodhara, and many cleansing processes, even they themselves are very relaxing. The most important thing is Panchkarma increases your immunity level. It makes your immunity high. And the best thing I can tell you about Panchkarma is it has anti-aging effect. It rejuvenates your body. It affects your age, like It reverses your age and causes longevity. So it was about the advantages of Panchkarma. I hope you liked my video. Kindly leave your comments in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be talking about the general rules during Panchkarma. So don't forget to subscribe me. Namaste.